Hello everyone, how to Tuts back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to use AI image generator on a Freepic. So Freepic recently launched, so you can generate your image. So go to AI, type here, go to any browser and type here AI image uh, generator Freepic. So you'll get the first link here, then enter here. So here you can see it's really easy. It's like the other image generator website. So I'm not good at prompt, so you can type, like I can say vintage queen with his maybe shoulders, with his um, with nature, with Warfield, Warfield. Then you can choose here the style. So there are a lot of style. Which type of style you want? I'm going to choose vintage, or click the generator. So it takes few moments to generate your image. So you can see they're working. This is the main canvas. So they give me some result. Lead more, then you'll get more here. It's really amazing. Other website you will get maybe 2 or 3 or 4 image, but this Freepik you'll get a lot of image. You can choose here size, style, color, which type of color you want, camera raw, high angle, lighting. So you can customize all the things manually, and there are some, it's a premium version, you can use it premium, but I think it's free. So tap here and you can export it. So you can see it looks pretty. So this way you can use AI image generator and Freepik. So okay friend, I hope this video is helpful. So today is no more, and see you in the next video.